Here's that fuel pump we got, guys. This is gonna be a little install video. It's made by Quantum Fuel Systems. It goes $139. It comes with everything. It even comes with the new bottom 2 screws. Good looking O-rings. Looks pretty good. So we're going to put it back in. Got our bolts and stuff. 4/8 mils, and then we're gonna unscrew these and try to kind of fish it through. See how that goes. But it should be pretty easy. And then we'll fire it up, and we can always test fuel pressure too if we want to and see how good it is. Got the new fuel pump in, guys. Running way better. Check this out.